Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is take the back side off of here. This will pop out. It's pretty tight. Getting yourself like a blue, or not, just a plastic pry bar to pry this off would be good. You could use a like a flathead, but it might cause like and so we're replacing this part right here. When you take the back off, you come down here and sorry it's messed up. There we go. There's screws right here and there's screws right here. So let's go ahead and take those screws out. This one right here. This one right here. Now this should be able to get this lid off. Let's go ahead and go from the front. Open it. Not yet. Okay. There's also 3 screws on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see. We're going to go ahead and get these screws out on the bottom. Second one. Third one. Okay, let's see. There we go. Now it comes off. Here's my new one from Hyundai. Pretty much is the same exact thing. I'm just going to put it right in place and then put those 5 screws back in. It looks like there's 3 holes right there and there's 3 pegs right here. So when I put it on, I'm going to line up those pegs. Go ahead and drop it in these, make sure it lines up. So I made sure that the pegs were in down here, and also made sure that these pegs go in these holes right here. Okay, so I got that lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my screws in. I'm gonna probably do the 3 from the bottom first. 1, 2, 3, and then the one right here and the one right here. I'm not gonna force you to watch me put those in. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll get them back in and then we'll skip ahead. Alright guys, I got the screws in. I put these ones on first because it kind of sucked this in to get those other ones on the bottom in. Recommend doing those first. Now we're going to put this back in. Make sure none of your white clips are stuck in the console still. Just go ahead and pull them out and put them back on here if they are. If you do get some marks, like from prying us off, because it was on pretty tight. I have to say, Toyota's, you could probably just pull it off with your hand, but Hyundai's, they're real tight. You could probably just use your tool, your plastic pry bar, to smooth it out. You just kind of rub it on, and you can smooth it out with this. I don't know what this material is, but it's kind of manipulative. You could like push it back down into place and make it look normal again. But all right, let's go ahead and put this on. Just line these tabs up. Make sure nothing's in the way. Let's see, just make them all lined up. We'll push them in. Oh, small side on top. Well, I don't know what I'm thinking. Go ahead and get this lined up. Alright. Sure it's lined up down here. Down here. Okay. And right here is where I'm talking about, like when I was originally trying to get this off, it was really stuck, so I kind of made a mark. And let's see, where's my pry bar at? So what it means is that you can just kind of push on this stuff, and sometimes you can make it look almost, you know, better. Sometimes not, but sometimes you can. Okay guys, well that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. It's how to replace the top part here, and thanks for watching.